Hi everyone, we're going to find the area of the region enclosed by one loop of the curve, r equals 1 plus 2 sine of theta. And we want to do the inner loop for this one. This is a limousin with the inner loop. And so what I'm going to look at is setting r to 0. And if I do that, I'm going to get 1 plus 2 sine of theta. Subtract the 1, then divide by 2. And that's going to equal your sine of theta. So my angle is going to be 7 pi divided by 6 and 11 pi divided by 6, given right here. I also sketched everything out at pi divided by 2. We're at 3. So I just made this a 3 here. And then kind of sketched it here. All right. And then what we're starting at, what we want is shading the inner curve. And this is symmetric to the line pi divided by 2. So what I can do, this is 7 pi divided by 6. This is 11 pi divided by 6. I can just take this loop in here, this shaded part, and multiply it by 2 to get the whole shaded part. And what I'm going to do is, since it's starting down here, I'm going to start from my lower limit is going to be 7 pi divided by 6 to 3 pi divided by 2. All right. So let's do that. And we're going to get our area equals, and we're multiplying it by 2 to get that other half as well. And our lower limit is 7 pi divided by 6, and the upper one is 3 pi divided by 2. And then we're going to use our formula, 1/2, our r is 1, plus 2 sine of theta squared d theta. All right. From here, I know these two multiplied gives you 1. So now we have the integral from 7 pi divided by 6 to 3 pi divided by 2. And I'm going to expand this as 1 plus 4 sine of theta plus 4 sine squared of theta. And to make integration easier, I'm going to expand this. So this is going to be the integral from 7 pi divided by 6 to 3 pi divided by 2. And then just copy everything down until we get to this. So for the identity for sine squared of theta that I'm going to use, it's going to be 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. And this is going to be d theta. All right, this is going to equal 2. So if I want to just simplify this, I'm just going to simplify it here. You're going to get 1 plus 4 sine of theta plus 2 minus 2 cosine of 2 theta d theta. So let me cheat there a little bit and just expand that. Okay, so now we can integrate it. So let's integrate this. And we're going to get this equals theta minus 4 cosine of theta plus 2 theta minus sine of 2 theta. All right, and we're evaluating this from 7 pi divided by 6 to 3 pi divided by 2. All right, if you want, you can add these up. But basically what we're going to get is for our first part, at 3 pi divided by 2, cosine is 0, and this is going to be 0 as well. So basically, for our first part, we're going to get 9 pi divided by 2. Because we have 3 pi divided by 2 plus 2 times 3 pi divided by 2. Because the rest of these two go to 0. And that's going to give you 9 pi divided by 2. All right, so there's that. And then for the 7 pi divided by 6, we're going to get 7 pi divided by 2, and then plus 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, simplifying this is going to give you 2 pi divided by 2 minus, and this part here, let's see, I can write this as 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 3 all divided by 2. So that's going to give you 3 square root of 3 divided by 2. I just got the common denominator for this by multiplying this by 2 as well. All right, and then this cancels out. So basically, your final answer, your area, is going to be pi minus 3 square root of 3 divided by 2. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.